Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to restore WhatsApp backup on Samsung Galaxy A17. Okay, before we begin, we need to open up the settings and let's just make sure that when we scroll down and when we find the Google, that we are logged into the same Google account on which we made the backup before. Because if you will be logged into other Google account, you won't be able to restore the chats. So simply make sure that you're logged into proper account. Now we can open up our WhatsApp. Okay, as you can see, the app welcomes us. Click on agree and continue. Now click on allow and now select your phone number. Click on continue and then click on next. Okay, there's a chance that you will have to verify using the missed call function or the code from the SMS message. Simply do it, and now something like that should appear. Contacts and media. We need to click on continue, click on allow, allow, and allow. And now we have option to restore our chats. Below we can see how long ago the last backup was made, the account on which we made that backup, and as you take a look is the same Google account that I'm currently logged in my settings, so everything is as it should be. Also, if you don't restore your chats right now, you won't be able to do it later. So click on restore right now. Now the process will start. Okay, click on next. In here type your name and you can also change the profile photo. Click on next. You can also add an email to protect your account. It's not necessary, so I'll skip it. Okay, and now as you take a look, all of the messages, including videos and the photos, has been successfully restored. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.